In this video, I'll be showing you how to import products from different websites into your Shopify store. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, and by following the steps in this video, you'll be able to import any product that you like from any website. So that could be Amazon, Walmart, or even somewhere like AliExpress. This can be really useful if you're dropshipping or if you're just looking to sell a similar product which you've seen on a different site. So without further ado, let's jump into this tutorial. To start with, you'll actually need to open up Shopify, and from here, we will actually need to add an app to our store. Now, if you didn't know how to do that, we can actually just go to this search bar at the top, and when we click on it, we'll now be able to search for a certain app. And what we're going to type in is Robo. It's spelled like this, and once you search that, you should be able to see this option, which is Robo Product Importer. So we're going to go ahead and click on this here. From here, we can see that it does actually cost $6 a month. However, we do get a 3-day free trial. So this is great as it allows us to try this app out for 3 days. So in order to start using it, we want to click install, and it will say this app needs access to view personal data and view and edit store data. Now we're going to go ahead and click install, and we've now added the Robo Product Importer into our Shopify apps. Now in order to get started, you can either use their free Google Chrome extension, or if you don't trust that and you'd rather not install the extension, you can actually import products without it. So if you wanted to do it via the extension, you could click get extension here and download it. However, if you wanted to do it without, you can simply click this view import page and we can just paste in the product link here. Now for this video, I'm just going to be doing the second method because in my opinion, it's easier and I'd rather not have a load of extensions downloaded onto my computer. However, if you're going to be using it often, then the Chrome extension is probably your best bet. So from here, we need to actually find a product which we want to import. So what you can do from here is head over to any site of your choice which you want to actually take a product from, which you can import into your Shopify store. Now for this video, I'll just be doing it on Amazon, and I'm actually on the USA side of the Amazon website. I was trying this on the UK site and it wasn't actually working. So if it's not working for you as well on Amazon, you may want to actually head over to the USA part of the website. From there, you can pick any product that you like. And let's just say we wanted to get these headphones on our Shopify store. What we'd have to do is actually copy the URL. So we can go up to the top and copy this up here. And once we've got that copied, we can go back to the page we were on earlier. And we can just paste in the product link here. So when you have it pasted in, we can click import. And it will now start fetching the data. And from here, it's now been imported into this page. So we just want to make sure all of these details are correct, and we can just go through it manually. It does actually say on the right, with constantly changing e-commerce sites, the product data imported might not be accurate. So we do want to go through all of this and make sure all the information is correct before we add it to our Shopify store. So we can just look through all of this and see if it's correct. We can change the price if we wanted to price it differently. And we can also add in all these different tags that help people find our product. Now you want to go through these different tabs and we can just look through all of this as well, make sure it's correct. You might want to add some more information in here if there's not enough, and you may also want to do the same with images. So if you have some more images with better angles, you could also add them here. From there we can click import, and in order to get it on our Shopify store, we can simply click add product to Shopify. And it now says product imported successfully. So what we can do is go back to Shopify, and from here, we can actually go over to products. And as you can see, this is the headset that we just imported from Amazon. So we can now click on it, and it's now been imported with all the details that we just saw a second ago in that page. And we can also edit it inside of here if you prefer the Shopify user interface. As I said earlier, you can import from any site. So if we found a product we wanted to resell, such as these shark sliders, we could copy the URL just like last time. And we just want to paste it back into this page here, and then we can click import to import this from AliExpress. And from there, we'll then also be able to import AliExpress products as well. So that's how you can import products from different websites to your Shopify store. Hopefully now that you've watched this video, you understand how you can import products from different websites such as your competitors, so that you can import it into your store and start selling it. If you found this video helpful, please comment down below to say it helps you out, and also like and subscribe to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.